Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a Shopify theme. Duplicating your theme is the safest way to experiment with design changes, test new apps, or create a backup before making big edits. This way, you can create a full copy of your current theme that you can customize without affecting your live storefront. It's like having a sandbox environment to test things out, ensuring that any changes you make won't disrupt the customer experience until you're ready. Start by opening your web browser and going to shopify.com. This takes you to Shopify's main site, where you can access your store's admin. On the homepage, look for the login button and click it. If you're already signed in, you may be taken directly to your admin. Otherwise, you'll see a secure sign-in screen. Log in using your preferred method. You can enter your email and password or use one of the single sign-on options if they're available for your account. Logging in ensures you're accessing the correct store and admin, so you're working in the right place. If you manage more than one store, make sure to choose the correct store from the list so you're duplicating the right theme. Once you're in the Shopify admin, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Online Store. This opens the Themes area, where you'll see your current live theme at the top and any additional themes in your theme library below. The live theme is the one customers are seeing right now, and the library is where drafts and duplicates live safely out of sight from shoppers. This is great because it means any changes you make in the library won't affect the look of your actual storefront. Find your current theme section and look for the three-dot icon next to it. This icon is the More Actions menu. If you don't see it immediately, hover your mouse over the theme card and it should appear. Click the three dots to open the menu. From the drop-down, click Duplicate. Shopify will immediately begin creating a copy of your current theme. You'll usually see a brief loading indicator, and then a new theme will appear in your theme library with a default name like Copy of, followed by your original theme's name. If your store has a lot of customizations or apps, the duplication may take a moment, so give it a little time to finish. Be patient. Shopify is creating an exact copy of your theme, so it's a good idea to allow for some processing time. Once completed, you'll see the new theme in your library. That's it. The duplicate has been created and is ready for you to start experimenting. A couple of helpful notes as you proceed. Changes you make to the duplicate will not affect your live store until you choose to publish it, so it's perfect for testing layouts, colors, or new sections for clarity. You can also try out new apps or customizations without worrying about impacting your current store's performance. Consider renaming the duplicate to something like Theme Test or Theme Backup Date, so you can quickly tell it apart from other versions. This is especially useful if you have multiple test themes or backups stored in your library. Also, keep an eye on how many themes you store in your library, because Shopify does limit the total number you can keep. If you hit that limit, simply remove older duplicates you no longer need. It's always a good practice to stay organized and only keep the themes you actively use or may need in the future. You can delete unused themes directly from the Themes section in your admin. You've successfully duplicated your Shopify theme and created a safe workspace for your next round of edits. This gives you the freedom to make design changes, add features, or test new functionality without the pressure of affecting your live store. When you're ready, you can explore the duplicate, preview it, and customize with confidence. Once you're happy with your changes, you can publish the theme to go live. Enjoy testing and customizing.